Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys enjoying your days. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you take a screenshot on iPhone. So to take a screenshot on iPhone, you need to just click your upper volume button and your power button together, and by doing this you can just take a screenshot on your iPhone like this. Now if your upper volume button or if your power button isn't working, you can just take a screenshot by other way. So at first just go to your phone settings. Now just scroll here and go to your accessibility. Now just click on touch. Now from here just scroll here and click on the last one, back tap. Now you can select double tap or triple tap to screenshot. I'm just going to select double tap. Now from the system, here you can see screenshot, click on it. Now just go back. Now all you need to do is just tap double on the back of your iPhone, and that's how you can take a screenshot from your iPhone. So guys, hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.